Hello everyone, I'm going to do a bike check because I haven't done one in absolutely ages. So, okay, the frame is still WETHEPOPLE Crisis 08 frame. I've had it for a year nearly now. It's really nice. I think it's 2 years now actually. It's really nice. It's a bit small but it's alright. Got the Bob SCERBO bars still, cut down to 24.5 wide. Really nice for the bar spins and all that. I've got ODI grips which I've had a week or so now. Really good grips, I love them. Proper bar ends, had them for ages now. Really good, they're metal. I've got a GT stem. It doesn't look good but it's not a bad stem really. I've got an FSA headset. I've got WETHEPOPLE forks. Got them off eBay like spring time I guess. And this is I got this today. Tom Whitewall tyre, 20x2.2 20. I got it from my friend James because he got some new tyres. It's quite nice still. Got quite a good bit of tread on it, so it should last a while. Still got a PRIMO and full hub. Hub guards broke. That's the only bad thing about it really. I've got exposure rim. It's not too bad really. I've got United spokes, purple. They're really good spokes for like £5, so you know, whatever. I have no idea what these pegs are. I think they're like from Halfords or something. I'm not sure. I've got stock MIRRACO cranks. I've had them since I got the bike originally, which was like 4 years ago now, maybe. I'm not sure. But they are really good. I've had no problems really, other than when I got the new frame I had to get a new spindle for them and I had to get new end bolts because the other ones were really bad. That's about it. And I've got PRIMO pedals still. They've not very grippy anymore because I've done a lot of grinds on them and stuff, you know, and they're quite old, so you know. I've got a proper sprocket back on. I got today back from James because I swapped it for a PRIMO one last year, but he's just got a new one, so I've got this one back now. I've got a KMZ chain. It's like quite tight really. I've got the WETHEPOPLE seat still. I've had it for like 2 years now. It's a really good seat. Got a pivotal post, don't know what it is, and a MIRRACO seat clamp that I cut down so it fit, and an animal peg here, and a random peg over here with FBM hub guards in like silver I think. Got a PRIMO COMET tyre. I've had this for like a year now as well. It's really good. I had some punctures with it, but I just have the inner tube wrapped around another inner tube, so you know that works. And doesn't get many flats anymore. Got a mixture of United and exposure spokes here, purple and orange, so they're not that bad really. And PRIMO rim, PRIMO Balance 6000 I think. It's a really good rim. It's not had any problems really. And I've got a I think it's an AFFIX free coaster. Got it on eBay or something I think. It's a really good free coaster. I've had it for quite a while now and it's really nice. So I think that's about it really. I mean, can't do any riding because it's raining, so I haven't done bike check in a while, so I thought I might do it. So, see you later.